outside and the night is cold.
Christmas is only 3 weeks away, and there is no better way than to make your guests feel welcome with a beautifully set table, and at the same time bring the magic of Christmas to your family and yourself. In my humble opinion, a beautifully set table starts with a tablecloth, which really elevates the whole look. I've noticed that tablecloths aren't very popular in the US, or at least not in this part of the country where I am. But in Europe, where I grew up, they are definitely more prevalent for fine dining. This satin crinkle tablecloth came from eFavormart. I love the color and the sheen. For this round table, I didn't like the corners hanging off like this, therefore I formed them into a flower shape like this and simply tied the back with a rubber band. These are subtle details that make all of the difference for a high-end look and making everyone feel special.
This time of year.
Once that was done, I crafted this flower arrangement which now adorns the table. I honestly am not very good with florals, but try my best, and I will show you now how I did it, in case you want to create your own. I started out with a candle holder. Mine came from Z Gallery, but you can use any you have, and if yours is opaque, you can skip the step of obscuring the floral foam with fake snow.
Memories that stay forever.
I purchased different picks and ornaments, but only used certain ones in the end. And I spray painted this garland from Dollar Tree white. I cut the garland into different length pieces, which was very easy to do with scissors, and began inserting them into the foam. This is a soft foam that worked great for this project. I arranged the garland pieces in a manner that I thought would look nice, and then began adding in other elements such as flowers, picks, and ornaments. I really loved this white pearl pick from Michaels. It was rather long though, so I just folded the stem up so I could use it in later projects. I bent and shaped the picks a bit and inserted this lavender ornament to go with the other lavender hues in my dining and living room. I thought these glass teardrops were stunning and would make a wonderful addition to this arrangement. I hung 2 of them on the same branch, but in an offset manner. The branch wasn't strong enough to hold both, so I had to use some fishing line and tied the second to the branch above for a strong hold. Then I played with the remaining ornaments to see what would look best and filled in some gaps with these smaller balls, as well as for a more cohesive look and color variation.
Merry Christmas to you.
And here is how it turned out. I love it, but what do you think? Leave me a comment below. I'd love to get your feedback.
Very Merry Christmas without all tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday.
Then I got the idea of wrapping this gorgeous white shimmer garland around the shade of our dining room chandelier. This makes it look so festive and special. Now that all of this was done, I polished all of my silver with an aluminum and baking soda bath, as you can see here. Some pieces were badly tarnished and I had to repeat the process about 3 times. My fine china and silverware were gifts from family before leaving Germany long time ago, and are a staple on our holiday dinner table. I will not go through the steps on how I set the table for the sake of the length of this video, since there are many great videos on YouTube on how to do that. I will show you, however, how I created this beautiful napkin fold, which relates back to the flower I created for the tablecloth. I simply laid the napkin on a flat surface and took a fork to the center and just swirled it in one direction until the flower formed, then slipping the ends through the napkin ring.
Let the reindeer see the light. A very Merry Christmas. Oh, we'll have this is a joyful.
If you prefer, you can fan the flower out a bit more for a different look. And now let's see how the whole room turned out with all of the other details and decor elements in the room that helped create a winter wonderland.
Every day is a happy.
These cute acrylic deers came from Hobby Lobby last year. The large silver ornaments were from At Home. This cute little deer, I'm not sure, but I just mounted it on top and it is so adorable. The pink ornaments came from Hobby Lobby. The charger was from Tuesday Morning. The napkins also came from Favormart. And the glass, which is absolutely gorgeous, was from Home Goods over a year ago, as well as the little plate that it stands in. Those salt and pepper shakers came from Pier 1 a couple of years ago. This I made myself. I cut out this Chanel logo out of a flexible mirror sheet and then put mirror trim on the edges of the chair. This table was a Facebook Marketplace find that I embellished with Dollar Tree picture frames, and this picture was a DIY. The trees came from Burlington and the container came from Home Goods. It was only $15 and I embellished it. This adorable tree was purchased at TJ Maxx last year and is perfect for filling in this corner. This box was a DIY. A video for that is available on my channel, and the deer came from Hobby Lobby. Isn't this bunny the cutest? I absolutely love it, sitting next to this vase from Burlington. And these flowers from Hobby Lobby make the perfect companion. This popcorn wreath was another Hobby Lobby find with lights and the Let It Snow plaque added in. These little angels made it all the way over here from Germany. And we all know where these champagne flutes come from, the gallery of course. This decanter was from Burlington and I switched out the top by just placing a napkin ring from Dollar Tree on it and the ornament from Hobby Lobby. The bowl came from Home Goods and I just added a couple of pine cones to it. And then embellished the bar card with some more of the garland I had left. Isn't this just adorable? Look at this little deer standing up on this little two-tier stand that I got from TJ Maxx a while back. And I flipped the vase over, set a little candle holder on it and put the top from the decanter on it. The nutcracker came from Big Lots and the vase in the back was a recent Burlington find. And here's just a picture of the whole room so you can put things kind of in perspective of where things are. Although it is really beautiful during the day, you know the magic happens at night when you start to light those candles and everything is starting to sparkle and glisten. Unfortunately, the camera is not able to capture all of that, but I know you trust that it is beautiful. I forgot to mention this little star came from Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you haven't already done so, please check out my other recent, more casual tablescape for the holidays and any other home decor and DIY videos on my channel. The next video release will be our awesome master bedroom makeover. You definitely don't want to miss it. I will give you a hint about the colors. They are black, gold, silver, and white with a bit of fuchsia mixed in. Very high glam. So don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.